It's Easter weekend, and if you would like to celebrate the holiday from the comfort of your own home, we have a few great ideas for dinner to go. Our local restaurants here in Bradenton and Sarasota are offering Easter dinner meals that are perfect for families looking to stay home and still enjoy this special weekend with chef-prepared meals. We also love to support local, and this is our way of giving a big shout out to our neighborhood restaurants. Hi, my name is Kim Dowling, the broker here at Coastal Luxury Partners, and our agents are right here with you, working, living, playing. We love our community and we love holiday weekends, so our team put together a few favorite restaurants that are ready for carryout, and they're also excited to welcome you in person. We know as we chat with so many people, Easter 2021 is one of the first holidays that families are excited to celebrate together. So dine-in or carry-out, let's take a look at some of the very best options, and you'll want to make reservations quickly. All right, here we go. Pier 22 in Bradenton sits directly on the beautiful Manatee River overlooking the Twin Dolphin Marina. They offer from scratch chef-prepared meals and authentic waterfront dining. You can sit on the patio, you can go inside, and you can order carry-out. We're actually filming right here on location, and you can see the beautiful marina right behind me. Pier 22's sister restaurant, The Grove in Lakewood Ranch, is also ready for the holiday weekend. Both Pier 22 and The Grove are serving Easter brunch and dinner for dine-in, as well as pre-made meals for pickup. For to-go meals, you want to pre-order by 3 p.m. on April the 3rd for pickup on Easter Day, and you can also call the restaurants directly for dine-in reservations. At Capitol Grill, located at UTC, the chefs are busy preparing 3-course family-style dinners to enjoy at home, and the feature is a whole rack of bone-in filet as the main course. You can pre-order online for pickup on the 3rd or the 4th. If you prefer, Capitol Grill would also be happy to host you in the dining room for a special Easter brunch menu. It's very easy to pre-order and make reservations online. All 3 Madison locations in Bradenton and Sarasota will be open for dinner, for dine-in, and carry-out on Easter Sunday. If you visit the Madison's Riverwalk in Bradenton, you can take a walk along the Manatee River and enjoy the lawns in the park area. Bonefish Grill and Carrabba's Italian Grill are offering specials for dine-in, carry-out, and some locations are offering delivery as well. And let's chat about 2 of our very best and most celebrated local restaurants. Euphemia Hay restaurant is offering dinner reservations for Easter with a roast leg of lamb special in addition to the restaurant's regular menu. You can make a reservation from 4 to 9 p.m. on Easter Sunday. And don't forget to visit the upstairs dessert loft. If you haven't done it yet, you won't regret it. Vista Dockside restaurant will also be open for dining on Easter Sunday with a hand-carved prime rib special in addition to the menu's usual offerings. And before we sign off, if you'd like to keep it super simple, Fresh Market is offering prepared holiday meals in 2 sizes to feed the larger family of 8 to 10 and families of 4. You can pick up through the 4th. Fresh Market has a location on Manatee Avenue West in Bradenton, and they're also on University Parkway. These restaurants are some of the very best, and they are going to allow us to spend less time in the kitchen and more time socializing this weekend. And we get to support local and celebrate the holiday. It's a pretty good win-win for everyone. So have a wonderful Easter holiday weekend from our coastal family to yours.